Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. We're going to look at the NEXPEAK NC202 battery charger, 12 volt, 10 amps, and 24 volt, 5 amps, 8-stage charging. Okay, lithium, lead acid, battery charger, and maintainer. And it's in this kind of large case. I've looked at some others in this case. I really like it. It has clips to mount the a space to mount the clips onto in the back, and a wire wrap and a handle. It's just a really convenient case for chargers, so I like it. Here's our charging stages, and yeah, works on everything. Has a couple different settings, so we'll take a look at it. Okay, let's open it up and get out of the box. Okay, there's our manual. Looked at some other similar ones. I don't think we need too much out of this. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. Okay, voltage setting, winter and summer mode lights, temperature, battery capacity, and current. And we have car, boat, lithium, moto, and repair settings. Okay, desulfate stage, off for charging process completed, pulse repair mode, full, low voltage on the battery, automatic battery test, end of repair function, and error for reverse connection polarity. Okay, so similar to others that we've looked at. Oh, here's good. Here it shows the whole charge cycle. So number one, battery desulfation is the pulsing. Then we have soft start charging, which ramps up slowly, bulk charging, which ramps up quicker, absorption charging, which holds the higher voltage, a battery test phase, reconditioning, float and maintenance, and monitoring. So I like these that you can get your battery charged back up and then they will do monitoring and maintenance. It's really convenient. I got this for my old Firebird here. Been working on it, doing a new sending unit for my gas tank, and I was also fixing my power windows and stuff, so I had run the battery down pretty significantly on this thing while I was working on that. I had to run the windows for a long time up and down while I was adjusting and cleaning things. So, good excuse to buy a new tool. Okay, so here we go. Nice case. It's a good size. I love the carrying handle on these. It's got little feet on it to stand it up more. That's cool. There is clips on the back. So, excellent. So we're going to bring it over here. The charger set plugged in down here. And saying off and flashing battery symbol because we're disconnected. Okay, so I've got my red clip here on these wonderful GM side post terminals that are a total pain. And I'm going to take my ground here because the negative one is really hard to get onto on this car. All right. So let's come over here. Okay, so it's starting up the charge cycle. Desulfate, you can see it pulsing as it measures the battery and gets the charge cycle started. Defaults to 12 volts. Car and boat setting, which is fine. Let's cycle through and see. So there's the lithium setting, which this is not. Motorcycle setting, which would be a lower current rating. Repair mode, which we don't need. And car boat mode, which I'm going to leave it on. That's going to start the charge cycle. So there we go. Nice case. I love the bright screen, really easy to read. Looks good. And yeah, we're going to let it set here and get this thing charged back up, run through a repair cycle. It's a good battery, but it's fairly old. And I think this will be good for it because I'm about to have this thing back on the road and driving again regularly. So yeah, that's it. That's the NEXPEAK NC202. I like the 12 volt and 24 volt setting. I don't have anything 24 volt. I'd love to see more of these with a 6 volt setting. I have an old Ford Model A that uses a 6 volt, so that's always awesome. But for a pretty convenient charger that I'll use on my car, boat, motorcycles, I think that's an excellent one. So yeah, hope you like it. Definitely check it out. I'll put a link to it on Amazon in my video. Thanks a lot. See ya.